Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two drones that are perfect for beginners and kids, the Q9s drones for kids and the TENSSENX foldable GPS drone. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right in and see how these two drones stack up against each other in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Q9s drones for kids is priced at just $49, making it an affordable option for parents looking for a drone for their kids. On the other hand, the TENSSENX foldable GPS drone comes with a price tag of $249, offering more advanced features at a higher price point. When it comes to design and durability, both drones have their unique features. The Q9s drones for kids features bright LEDs that emit vibrant neon green and blue lights, providing a visually stunning flight experience. It also has 4 sturdy propeller guards, ensuring a secure flight and protecting your kids from any injuries. The drone is made of high-quality ABS material, making it durable and reliable even after countless crashes or drops. On the other hand, the TENSSENX foldable GPS drone boasts a sleek and foldable design, making it easy to carry around. It comes with powerful brushless motors and 3 batteries, ensuring longer flight time and stability. The drone also features a GPS module and optical flow positioning, making it safer and more reliable, even in outdoor environments. User-friendliness is an important factor, especially for beginners and kids. The Q9s drones for kids offers a user-friendly experience with one-button takeoff, landing, and return functions. It also has 3 different speeds to choose from and a headless mode, making it easy to operate and control. The altitude hold feature allows the drone to hover automatically, even if you don't do anything with the controller. Similarly, the TENSSENX foldable GPS drone is designed with multiple functions such as automatic takeoff, headless mode, altitude hold, and optical flow position. These features are specifically devised for novice pilots, making it extremely easy to fly and control the drone. Now, let's talk about the camera quality. The Q9s drones for kids does not have a camera, as it is primarily designed for kids to enjoy flying and performing tricks. However, it still offers a vibrant and enjoyable flight experience with its LED lights and maneuverability. On the other hand, the TENSSENX foldable GPS drone comes equipped with an ultra-clear 4K camera, guaranteeing stunning and vivid footage from a bird's-eye view. This feature allows you to capture breathtaking aerial shots and videos, perfect for capturing your precious memories. Lastly, let's look at some additional features. The Q9s drones for kids comes with 2 batteries, providing double the flight time and more fun for the kids. It also features multiple operating tricks, including 360-degree flips and auto-rotation functions, enhancing the flying experience. The TENSSENX foldable GPS drone offers all-round functions such as Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest, granting intelligent flights and freeing up your hands. It also includes Emergency Stop, Smart Return to Home, and One-Key Return features, ensuring the drone's safety and preventing it from getting lost. The Q9s drones for kids is highly praised for its user-friendliness and exciting features, such as flips and easy control. It is loved by kids and parents alike. On the other hand, the TENSSENX foldable GPS drone is recommended for its advanced features, excellent flight stability, and high-quality camera. It offers a great value for its price range. And there you have it, the comparison between the Q9s drones for kids and the TENSSENX foldable GPS drone. Both drones have their own unique features and cater to different needs. The Q9s drones for kids is a great choice for young beginners, providing a fun and safe flying experience. On the other hand, the TENSSENX foldable GPS drone offers advanced features and a high-quality camera, making it suitable for those looking for a more professional aerial photography experience. Remember, it's important to consider your budget, intended use, and user-friendliness when choosing the right drone for you. We hope this comparison has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, happy flying!